Hello, I'm Annie, and I'm also darning a well-loved and well-used sweater to give it an extra little bit of life because it's a lovely piece of, it's a lovely garment. And I joined the Repair Cafe about 2 years ago, and again, like Linda, using skills that I learnt from my mother, and in the good old days when there were sewing classes in school, and we all learnt how to do things like this, and it's good fun, and you get a chance to meet a whole lot of people that you would not probably normally meet, but the atmosphere is wonderful. So that's why I keep on coming.